Hi there, now in this video I want to give you an in-depth demonstration of Easy Offline Wizard and show you around the members area. So as you can see, it's very easy to navigate and to access your software. When you open up the software, it looks like this. It opens up within your browser window, so there's nothing to install and you get instant access and use it directly after you pick it up. So the very first part here is all the different business cards, and each one of these templates is very easy to edit, and basically you just open it up and you can customize anything you see on screen. So you can preview your designs in a couple of different ways, and you can download your cards, print quality, high resolution whenever you want. All the text layers can be clicked and are fully customizable. So everything that you see on the canvas area here can be reshaped, resized, change the font, change the colors of absolutely everything. So even the backgrounds, everything can be changed. Now if we click into the next section, it's all coupons. So again, you can come in here and you could be creating a coupon for your own product or for an offline business owner, and it's very, very easy to edit. So as you can see, I can make one for this product right away. Simply just type in my text, change a few things around, and I'm good to go. If you want, you can change your background shapes by coming in here. There are literally hundreds inside here that you can choose from, and you simply click and it will change the background patterns for all your shapes. You can also choose some border colors if you want to have a border around your business cards or coupons or flyers. Again, everything in here is just point and click, and it will appear on your canvas. It can be recolored, resized, you name it. You can also add some vector graphics. There are hundreds of these graphics built into the app that cover a wide range of niches and subsections. So for instance, you might want to add some social media icons. You simply click, drag it around your canvas, resize, recolor, get it looking how you want, matching your brand, and then you're good to go. Then simply view and preview your designs. As you can see, it looks great and it's ready to print. All you need to do is download and get it printed up. Now if we move on again, we can show you some more templates, this time from the different flyers. So again, simply come in here and click one of the pre-made templates and it loads up into the software. You can zoom in, you can move the canvas area around to line up however you so wish, and again, everything is editable. You can zoom in as much as you want or zoom out as much as you want. Again, everything is easy to preview by simply clicking, and you can see exactly how your flyers will look in the real world when you get them printed up, or when a client of yours gets them printed up. We have both A5 and A6 flyers, and we've also got a lot of different gift certificates. So if you're running a special promotion for your own business, or perhaps one of your offline clients is running a promotion, you can very quickly create some awesome looking gift certificates that they can use and maybe people can buy in their stores and give to whoever they want. So again, this can be done in a couple of minutes, and you can create gift certificates for absolutely everything. You can come in here and make your fonts bigger, smaller, change the alignment of the text, change the actual fonts themselves from one of the many that we have pre-built into the app. Simply line it up, resize, and you're good to go. You can change all the details on the canvas, all text, all background layers, everything you see on screen can be edited. It's simple, point and click, drag and drop, and then preview your designs, and when you're finished, download the finished article. But that's not all, we also have different loyalty cards as well. So if your own store or an offline client store is trying to run some sort of a promotion, try and get people to buy into a loyalty card, you can simply design them like this. Very, very easy. All the elements of the page can be moved around, can be dragged around, and there's no need to spend a lot of time learning how to use this software because everything is point and click simple, although it does come with a full library of tutorial videos. So say for example you want to add some shapes or some icons into your design, simply come in here, find one you want, and then add it to the canvas area. Now you can also change the size, color by simply clicking on the right hand side and choosing from the color picker. Then align it up into your design, resize until you're happy with it, and then your new design is ready. Preview as normal, and when you're all happy with it, you can download the finished design, give it to your client, they can get them printed up, and you can bank the design fee for a couple of minutes work. We also have rack cards for brochures and little things like that. So say for example you want to check out this one for maybe your MBA team, you can come in here, zoom in, move around the canvas and redesign this however you so wish. Everything in here is customizable. Preview your design as normal, and you can see how awesome it looks when it will be printed up in the real world. We also have thank you cards, so for whatever you may want to do, perhaps at the holiday season you want to send your staff or your clients a thank you card, you can pick up something like this or one of the many other designs which are included when you pick up Easy Offline Wizard today. So again, all this text is fully customizable. You can edit it very quickly, change the color, change the size and get it printed up and you're ready to go. So as you can see how fast and how easy this software runs, and it really is point and click simple. So even if you have no experience, you can create great looking marketing materials for your business and also to use with offline businesses in your local area in a matter of seconds. All these shapes, you can change the color by pointing and clicking, very easy. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. Everything is fully customizable. All you need to do is be able to click your mouse and drag and drop, and you will be able to create awesome looking marketing materials with Easy Offline Wizard. It's that easy and that simple to use. But that's not all. If you don't want to use one of the pre-made templates, you can design from scratch. Each different design comes with its own blank canvas that's set up in the correct size and ready to roll. So you can create your own designs from scratch if you so wish. But I'm sure most of you watching this video will just want to customize some of the pre-made templates that it comes with, just because it's so easy and so fast for you to turn around and create your designs and to get your work for your offline clients done as quickly and as profitably as possible. But again, everything is customizable. You can choose your background graphics, you can choose your borders, and you can choose any of these hundreds of inbuilt vector graphics to put into your software. Simply point and click. So you can choose this, resize it and put it anywhere on your canvas area, and you can watch the grid lines to see how it lines up when it will be printed up. You can add as many or as little of these, and as I'll show you in a minute, all these vector graphics can be resized, recolors. All the different layers are customizable and editable in just a few clicks. So now what I'm going to do is show you how you can easily change the color of any of these layers. So even on the images, you can click over here on the right hand side and choose different colors for all the different areas of your image. So if you want to match it up to your brand or to the colors of your client's brand that you're working for, everything is point and click. This will allow you to keep your brand concurrent and match up all of these different graphics to whatever message you're trying to portray through your marketing materials. So hopefully by now you're beginning to see what an incredible piece of software Easy Offline Wizard is, and how it's the perfect tool for you to use for all your marketing materials, whether for your own business and for online, or for working with offline businesses, local businesses in your own area. Very easy. It comes with unlimited undo and redo features. you can upload your own graphics into the app, change the color of all the backgrounds. You can bring all your layers forward and backwards, point and click. You can also duplicate anything on the screen and make doubles or triples or whatever you want of any different layer. You can also delete. As you know, you can select whatever templates you want, preview all your designs, download your finished articles, and also save and load your project files so you can work on them later on. And you've also all these other options on the right hand side. So that's a full product demonstration, guys, for Easy Offline Wizard. So click the add to cart button below for instant access today, and I'll see you on the inside in the members area.